welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about some meme coin action. I also want to talk about how Crocoin is having a little bit of a move to the upside. I also want to take a little bit of a look on that how Elon Musk was unfollowed by CZ, the CEO of Binance, and what that could mean. So without further ado, we are at 8,960 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, as of right now, we are still at 27,000. We're up about 0.77% on the day. There's money and liquidity moving into the overall market a little bit as of right now. However, the Bitcoin dominance level is lower than I would like to see it. Right now, it is at 46.28%. Still, my target is between 48 and 50% leading into the Bitcoin halving, which is about 11 months away. But all in all here, there's money consolidating, moving back into Bitcoin. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I think it's probably going to be this way for another 11 months. I think that we're going to have, or excuse me, another 6 months. I think that we're going to probably have a lot of sideways price action here, sideways into the down. I think this is the year of accumulation leading into the Bitcoin halving. I think there's going to be some big moves to the upside as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving, but as of right now, I do think we're going to have a lot of sideways action. And now my thesis could change depending on where we start to head. If there's any crazy news that happens in the overall macroeconomics of the world, or I mean, if Bitcoin gets a $10,000 price candle, you know, those definitely can happen. I've seen those happen. Then the thesis will change. But as of right now, that is my thesis, that we're going to be trading sideways for about probably 6 months, and then leading into the Bitcoin halving, we'll probably have a couple large candles moving into it as the Bitcoin halving hype starts to heat up. But guys, I do want to take a look at Pepe a little bit right now. You know, I'll be honest with you guys. I would like to see this liquidity move out of these meme coins and into the projects and companies and businesses that really are doing things in this space, like Ethereum, and I mean, there's so many, Solana, Ethereum, all these layer ones. So there's tons and tons of different projects that deserve this money and don't deserve to just be gambled with. However, I will also say that it is fun for some to be gambling around with these meme coins, and it does put a spotlight on the crypto space. Now, whether it's a good spotlight or a bad spotlight, that's up for interpretation. But personally, I think the saying "any publicity is good publicity" is kind of a good way to look at it when there's all this talk of these meme coins and these 100x altcoins popping off. And it's really this is kind of what started back in 2017, which got the 2017 bull run started. We were on a daily basis, we were having coins move 1,000x's on a daily basis. It was happening over and over and over again. But I will say that I do think that these meme coins are kind of cooling off a little bit. There is a lot of talk of some crazy things in crypto Twitter with this Ben token that's connected to BitBoy Crypto, and this other Ben.eth guy that is basically just having people send him money and to just see what happens, basically, with a coin called PSYOP, which is really, really interesting to see. I'll be paying attention to some of this stuff, and I'll be reporting it to you guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to be, as this develops, I'll be bringing you more and more videos. But let's talk about Crocoin a little bit, guys, because we did start to break out to the upside. But what do you know? I mean, look at this wick, guys. It's absolutely incredible. We had this big wick straight up to the upside, and we're already back down significantly. It was a 7% wick, and now we're already retraced. You know, that's just typical Crocoin. Especially when we're pinned to this level here. We did wick up trying to get back to that 0.0689 cent price level, which I believe is that's like our home here for Crocoin for the next few months, trading around between 6.5 cents and probably 10 cents, but we're going to have to work our way up there before we can start calling for 10-cent price targets. I think it's just going to take time, and we're going to have to be having Bitcoin trade around 35,000 before we really make it to fair value here of the about 20 cents to 12-cent price range of Crocoin. $35,000 Bitcoin trading sideways leading to the Bitcoin halving. I think that will probably be what brings us to the fair value price level, maybe even higher. So we're going to have to be looking at that. I'm excited for that, guys. But as of right now, we are in this accumulation zone between 5.5 cents and 10 cents. If you believe in Crocoin, you have high conviction, now's probably a good time to be buying it. Not financial advice, but I'm taking my staking rewards, and anytime we're below 0.0689 cents, I'm taking those staking rewards and just putting it back into Crocoin. So That's what I'm doing. But let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit because we are breaking below here. We're still below the 28,200 on the weekly. I would like to see this reversed for having our to have a higher probability of reaching 32,700. But if we stay below, we continue having weekly closes below 28,200. Well, guys, unfortunately, I think that we're going to be moving to the $25,000 price target. And if we are getting weekly candle closes below 28,002, I wouldn't be surprised if we maybe even come below 25,000. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that's just my analysis of what I'm reading out here based on these charts and where the price levels that we're at right now. And, guys, it's okay. It's okay if we come down to 25,000. And if we have weekly candle closes below that, we come down to the 21,000 area, that's okay too, because honestly, my price levels here are between 19,500 and low 40,000s for leading into the Bitcoin halving. I think that is our channel for the year of accumulation, and I'm going to be buying along the way, whether at 19,500 or below 30,000. 30,000 is kind of my cutoff point for a little while. If we break above 30,000, I'll probably be dollar cost averaging into some other altcoins because I believe that probably will be somewhere around the time frame of where we're reaching the Bitcoin halving. But guys, I also want to mention here that we did have CZ Binance unfollow Elon Musk. I think that's pretty interesting considering he did put a large portion, I believe it was something like $500 million towards the purchase of Twitter. And now that Elon Musk is stepping down from the CEO position of Twitter, CZ Binance, he unfollows him. I think that's very, very intriguing. I really want to see how that plays out, but I think that's very, very intriguing. If you read between the lines, you can kind of see that maybe there's some unhappiness somewhere between that deal of putting money towards buying Twitter. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe right now. Also check below this video in our description box. We have awesome referral links where you can get up to $8,000 sign up bonus with BitGet, a $4,500 sign up bonus with Femex, as well as a $600 sign up bonus with Binance, as well as a membership. Please consider becoming a member. You get access to our awesome custom emojis and loyalty badges, and you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, and we're going to be doing a lot more. We have trade signals, and we're going to be adding some DeFi plays. There's lots more to come. But on top of that, you also get 10 additional entries to winning this low line NFT each month you are a member. But guys, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.